Cars are warmed up. Time to head to the junkyard. Let's go.
Wake up, filthy.
I walk around with an X, on my chest. She walk around with double D's, on her breast. I pull up with them 223s, nothing less, nothing less. I took big sticks, I pour out heart in my cut. There's not no trace,
Crazy. It's hella stray, honestly. Like, no dance. Let's got some of that though. Yeah. Yes, sir. Found an N52 motor I was looking for. And this is exactly what you need. Oh my god. Yeah, boy. If you fucking know about N52 motors, you know. Oh my lord. Oh shit. Damn, this is gonna suck. I tore my left meniscus, so it's all bad. Alright. Shoot. Oh. Hey. That's where my light went. Alright. Alright. That's alright. Man, my poor wheel. It's been so long. RIP. Okay, let me just grab this to show you guys why I've even been doing any of this in the first place. Oh shit. Alright, first reason why I was even doing this whole thing in the first place is because I was replacing the plastic valve covers that come on these darn N52 motors. Of course, mine had about 168,000 miles when I picked it up, and it started misfiring, so I just wanted to replace everything, because why not? And in the midst of all that, I also replaced my oil filter housing gasket, and when I was taking off the oil cap, this little nasty thing was there. So, fast forward, replace the gasket. Oh my lord. Replace the valve cover gasket. Yada yada yada. Valvetronic motor gasket. Eccentric sensor gasket, right? Yeah. I don't know. I'm new to these motors. Whatever. Damn, I'm losing train of thought. Alright, let me try to take this damn thing off. Oh, yup. Oh, shit. No. Alright. Fully clean my car. Right. Alright, in the midst of this all, I am also doing my oil change. That is the drain bolt. That is a 17 mil. I don't know where my splash guard went. Sick. Don't judge me on this. Alright. Oh, it stayed. Nice. Anyways, this whole thing came apart. This is the whole reason why I am doing this. This is your fan noise filter. The thing that holds the filter itself in. If I can get it. Oh, goddamn. Damn, I clipped into it. There we go. Alright. This is trash. Okay.
My chippy.
You can cut it.
My chippy. Chippy down. No. No.
Alright. This is a brand new filter, by the way. I just put it in to move the car. Oh, damn it. Am I even doing? Sick. Okay, cool. Yeah. Cool beans. And that is all.